Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that AntFun token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, AntFun is a Solana-based social trading platform that combines a decentralized exchange with community-driven features for discovering and executing traders. Social Trading Hub integrates wallet tracking, live audio chats, and shared channels to bridge social interaction with on-chain trading. Multi-chain DEX aggregator provides a trading interface and connects to major Solana DEX like Pump.Fun, Radium, and Orca for spot and perpetual futures. Deflationary token model uses a buyback and burn mechanism, having permanently destroyed over 1.1 billion AntFun token to reduce supply. AntFun project institution rating is 3.9 and this project audited by Ceritic. AntFun token total supply is 10 billion and circulating supply is around 1.88 billion AntFun token. AntFun token is listed on PancakeSwap V2, Metaura VD, Orca and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.